Home cooking with the family, it's a joy. The big clean-up afterwards, not so much. Westinghouse is happy to help with dishwashers that make short work of kitchen mess. Stacking is simple with FlexZone. Lift the height-adjustable basket and big awkward items fit below. Dirty pots are no match for SensorWash. It detects grime levels and adjusts the cycle for a thorough clean. When the wash is done, AutoDoor opens the dishwasher to speed up drying. You can put away the tea towel. Find out more at National Product Review.